Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and today we'll take a look at this bad boy. Yes, it's my brand new router. I've been umming and ahhing for quite a while whether to get one, and I was like, I'm going to get a Wi-Fi 6. I'm still using a Wi-Fi 5 router, yeah. And I was like, for 2 years, probably now, I've been looking at routers. And then this came on a prime offer. I figured, you know what, bite the bullet. Then people go, Wi-Fi 7's around the corner. Wi-Fi 6 is not even been adopted fully yet, so yeah. Take it what that's worth. But this was it's the Asus, the RT AXE7800. So a bit of a long kind of name, but basically it just means that it's Wi-Fi 6 and this is the total maximum kind of output it can do. My current one's an AC router and it's an AXE7900. So this is quite a lot bit more powerful, it does a lot more speed, and obviously it's got Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E. So yeah, looks a bit like a spider as well. So I've got my old good old little unboxing chopper, so we'll use that in a moment or two. But it's really quick to take a look around the box. It says here it has got the Wi-Fi system for the AI mesh. I currently use an Asus router, so I might be using that. I'm not too sure yet. It has a 2.5 gigabyte port, which means if you've got internet that's faster than 1 gig, boom, they should be able to obviously support it. Safe browsing, yeah, that's the kind of rubbish stuff. Yeah, 3-year warranty, another reason why I like Asus, because yeah, you get a good warranty with them. Taking it around the box, that's going to be the back of it, which we'll show you in a moment or two. If you want to pause the video, you can have a read of that, but we're going to have a look inside anyway, aren't we? And just some more specifications here for you. So just really quickly in terms of the frequencies, it's just 2.4, 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz, which is the Wi-Fi 6E. In terms of the actual different bands, you've got the obviously A, B, N, AC, and then different variations, that 2.4, 5 gigahertz, all the way up to the 6 gigahertz, which does I think it's 2.4 gig, give or take, and 4.8 gig on the 5 gigahertz. So a lot more bandwidth for what I've currently got at the moment. Again, I've got a 2.9 gigabyte, however you want to say it. Inside it, you're going to get your router, your cable, etc, etc. And on this one, the antennas don't come off. So my current one, they do. They don't come off on this one. Anyway, you know what, Sam? Shut up, mate. And let's just get inside it, right? So here's a true unboxing again. So let's use the old, I say old, it's my new old meat cleaver. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I think it looks pretty cool anyway. Let's open her up. Now, from my previous experiences opening up routers or just PC equipment in general, is you never really get an amazing kind of experience. It's a lot of kind of brown plastic, brown cardboard, should I say. So let's see if this is any different, shall we? That's the reason why I did this video, is because I'm intrigued just as much as you might be. So where are we opening it? Does it come from the side? Is it from the side? Oh, but yeah, I can't even open it. Okay, this, hang on. There, you know what? I'm being absolutely stupid, aren't I? It opens up like this. And boom, there is the actual, I'd say like a spider. Just kind of bend that back a little bit. There we go. Let's take it out. It's significantly bigger than my current router as well. Mainly because my current one stands up, whereas this one is a flat kind of design, it sits down. So we'll get it out of its packet. Oh, look at that, eh? So stick that there just for 2 moments or two. Now what else do we get? Got a feeling this kind of pops up like this, because I can see like a little box here. Let's tell you what, does it all come out? Yeah, so all that just pulls out like that, nice and easy. And in the bottom of the box, as it said on the back, we get a Ethernet cable, an RJ45 I believe it is. So I don't know what kind of speed it is, but what does it say? It doesn't even say what cat it is. So, oh, there we go. So it's a Cat5e patch cable that you get inside the box. Not the greatest. I've got better cables I'll probably be using with it. We also get the plug, which I like this idea. It makes it easier for them to manufacture. You get your one plug. As you see here, you get your one plug, and then you get your different adapters. So for the UK, I'll use mine, but if you're buying it in Europe, happy days, you also get the European one as well. So again, UK, European. And last, but I'd probably say, would say at least as well, we've got the quick step guide, which I'll give you a quick look at. safety notices, the advanced Wi-Fi helper, and the VIP member warranty notice. So yeah, cool. Again, that's because you get a 3-year warranty with it, which again, I'm always happy with it. So I paid £161 for this in the UK, which is actually a pretty good deal. It's been £250 for quite a while. It went down to an offer to £199.99, and then for some reason in my basket in Amazon it was 161 quid. Happy days. So yeah, I saved even more. So anyway, let's get this out of the way and we'll have a look at the actual unit itself as well. Alright, so here is the star of the show, and let's be honest, it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Now these antennas look absolutely massive. Up to my current one's got 3, this has got 6. So I'm hoping it's going to give a bit of better coverage, but I'll be honest with you, my current one at the moment is an absolute beast. It sits in the living room, but it does all the houses, all the back garden, all the way down to the end of the my garden. So at the front of the garden as well, my drive. So this looks like it's going to do even better, which is pretty badass. But how cool do they look? But it does look like a spider though, doesn't it? So if you put it like that, definitely looks like a spider. Can you imagine that running towards you? Yeah? No, thank you. So anyway, let's just put those down really quickly. And yeah, we will be doing a performance and stuff like that. So on the back of it, as you can see just about here, we have the DC in, so that's for your power. You've got 3 normal LAN ports. You've then got another LAN port, which is also a 1 gig port. So you can put your internet into that, but you can also put it into your 2.5 gig. So my recommendation is put it into this one, and then use these as actual to feed out for other devices if you want to use them. You've got USB 3.0. On the bottom of it, we've also got the on-off switch. I don't know if you can see that just about there, the on-off switch, and a reset switch. And on the other side, it's got the WPS switch, which I've honestly, I think I like it on the bottom, because if somebody comes into your house and they want to connect to your Wi-Fi, they're going to have to turn it over to press the button. Whereas on most of them, it's just like on the front, like on the side or something, you kind of press it. They can connect to your Wi-Fi without you even knowing. But yeah, I'm proper stoked to get this because I've got 2 1 gig lines and I've only been using one of them on Wi-Fi, so now I can use both of them because I'm going to be putting my old router in this room, and then this is going to be the house router for everyone to use. So yeah, and just really quickly on the front of it, it's got all your different indicating lights there. So it's got one for the 2.5 gig port and also the 1 gig. It tells you if they're being used, so the 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's got your 6 gigahertz, your 5 gigahertz and your 2.4 gigahertz, as well as your power. There you go, you can just see that one there as well, huh? Yeah, it looks pretty beefy. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Now we've got focus, I'm even more happy with it. So yeah, do you have any questions with regards to this? Again, it is, bring the old box back in, this model, the RT AXE7800. I wish they could just have like a proper name in it, like, I don't know, like the Asus 1 Mark 7 or something, or whatever. But yeah, it's just, this basically denominates with regards to how fast it is, and obviously it's the RT model for them. So kind of makes sense, I guess. And again, you don't normally get the frills and whistles with regards to PC equipment and like normal kind of just everyday kind of stuff. Unlike with regards to like phones and whatnot, you get better unboxing experience. But I'll be honest with you, it was a pretty decent experience, wasn't it? Yeah? Anyway, people, I'm going to say thanks for watching. If you do have any questions, you know what to do by now. You can hit me by a comment down below. Please don't forget to smash that like button. Go on, smash, smash, smash. You know you want to. And also, subscribe. Why? Because it's free. Honestly, it doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, people, once again, if you want to pick it up, I will put a link down below. You can go check it out. And yeah, if you want a full review, with regards to speed tests and stuff like that, then let me know. And then we'll see what I can do. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll see these puppies on fast Wi-Fi in the next video. Cheers, everyone.